Hi everybody. Today I'm going to talk about introduction to AI literacy. The objective of this training or the presentation is to give you all an overview and understanding of AI, make you familiar with the terminologies that are being used in AI. So let's move on to the next slide. We will talk about the evolution and impact of artificial intelligence. Also, as I mentioned, we will cover an overview of AI, its origin, the different kinds of models, and the challenges that we are currently facing in AI. So, remember that this is just the part one session of a series of knowledge sessions that I'm going to deliver. So I will be introducing other key concepts and terminologies over a period of time. But this being the first class or first presentation, you will be introduced to all the necessary terminologies as a part of this session. So the basic question is, what is artificial intelligence? AI is the replication of the human brain's functioning using machines and algorithm. So using machines, we want to replicate the behavior or the functionalities of a human, do the same tasks that a human being does. The human brain works through neurons. AI systems mimic this using artificial neural networks. So, whatever our brain is comprised of, scientifically and medically, the basic building block is neuron. The AI system is also mimicking this basic building block. And AI is not new. Its root trace back to the research from the Second World War. AI has been used in the Second World War in 1950, and over a period of time, it became very unpopular because of the advent of other internet-based technologies. The general public did not focus that much on AI. In essence, AI aims to simulate human reasoning, perception, and creativity, which form the part of the cognitive abilities of a human being. The evolution of AI, since the 1940s, AI has evolved from theoretical concept to practical systems. Modern AI powers virtual assistant, autonomous systems, and creative tools. So virtual assistants, like you can see chatbots, you go to the websites or and ask questions. It presents you with couple of options on what you are looking for, and accordingly you can select your option and get the answers. That is what the virtual assistant is about. And there are a lot of creativity tools that can generate images, videos, by just typing a simple command in a one line simple English sentence. Say, for example, you go to a tool and say, create an image of a fight between a bull and a goat. Then hit enter, the tool will give you the image. Or also, if you want to have a friction story created, if you it will also create stories and give you the story as a response. 2025 saw the creation of fully AI generated personas like Tilly Norwood. If you go to Google and search for this personality, Tilly Norwood, you will see the picture uh, that this person about this personality. I will just show you now. I go to Google and just type Tilly Norwood. So it was created, this personality was created, and It was trained to perform all the tasks like walking on the red carpet to receive the Grammy Award. This was created recently in 2025. So most of the film personalities can be replaced using AI. The AI is system is based on the transformer model. Um, as I said, past AI systems were only rule based, performing simple tasks, but now the recent AI tools can perform creative tasks like generating pictures, generating videos, generating stories, and creating artistic outputs. You just give the command in English and it does the task and gives you the output. And if somebody asks you what is the this tool or this kind of generative AI based on, you can very well say that this is based on the transformer architecture. We will learn about the transformer architecture in the coming sessions. For now, just know that this new AI model, which is also called as generative AI, it can generate image, videos, and stories, and lot of other creative outputs, and it is based on the transformer architecture. The transformer architecture was introduced in the year 2017 in a research paper called Attention is All You Need. It was published by a group of Google researchers. To be precise, 7 researchers published it in the year 2017. This architecture enabled scalable high performance AI capable of understanding and generating human like text. So this was the primitive model, interactive model, chat based interface, but it could accept only text input and generate text output, machine like text output, just like reading uh, set of document and creating a summary or answering some questions in text format. So ChatGPT is the latest model that is released in November and 2017, and is one of the most current model what we are using now, because of which AI is become popular. ChatGPT is a chatting tool which is based on AI, latest AI technology. We will see about this tool in the coming sessions, what it does. But in this session, I just understand that you can type questions and pass it to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will give you creative responses. And the G stands for generative, P stands for pre-trained, and T stands for transformer. So in the terminology of AI, you should also understand there is a concept called as large language model, and this model, LLM model, was developed by OpenAI. So this is built upon the transformer model. It learns from various data sets to generate coherent, context-aware responses. So we give the tool the data, and then it reads the data, understands the pattern, and then gives the output. The rise of generative AI. What is generative AI? Generative AI is a recent breakthrough. It is less than 5 years old. It can create original text, image, music, and even synthetic personalities. 2018 marked a major milestone with two models based on transformer architecture. So 2017 the research paper was launched, and 2018 two models were released based on this research paper. The first model was from Google, which is called as the BERT model, which excelled at understanding context. This was the better model of that time. And then the next model was from the company OpenAI, which was the proof of concept model or the very basic model. It was called as the GPT-1 model. These laid the foundation for advanced models like GPT-4 and GPT-5, which are generative models which can give text, audio, video outputs as responses. The AI domain is dominated by a set of few companies, typically 4 to 5 large tech companies. There is massive investment that has happened in the development of all the recent AI related tools, and a lot of companies are competing to attain monopoly in this space and become the market leader. OpenAI stands out as a leader in generative AI research and deployment as of today. What are the challenges of AI? AI tools cannot be downloaded on mobile phones, and we cannot run them on the mobile phones because they are all data driven. They learn from data. The amount of data base that these tools depend on is too huge, and to process the data, it requires huge computational power, which is not supported by the current mobile phones. Even the current standalone laptops or servers may not support it. We need supercomputers which are deployed at the cloud-based data centers like Amazon, and that is the resource infrastructure resource challenge we face with the AI systems, and it requires a lot of energy consumption by global AI cloud rivals. Um, so some of the estimates is that the total consumption that a country is consuming could be compared to the kind of electricity we need to power some of the AI systems. So ethical, and then there are also ethical and sustainability challenges, because it is very easy to clone somebody's picture and voice and try to impersonate them and try to take advantage. A lot of film personalities are also getting mimicked using these AI tools, and they are filing for personality protection, so to safeguard their interest. So thank you all. This is the about today's session. Let me know your feedback in the comments section. Thank you all. Have a good rest of your day. We will meet again. Bye.